look at another example right here. So the first thing we're going to do is we're just going to write an equation for this. So the first thing I want to do is just write an equation here. Okay, so as we talked about a minute ago, I first look at my number of pouches over here on the left-hand side, and there are 3 pouches. So the very first thing I'm going to do is just drag over a 3 to represent those pouches. Now remember, we don't know how many coins are inside of each of these pouches. That's the problem. So what we're going to do is we're going to replace these pouches with a variable. And the letter we're going to replace it with is the letter X. So these 3 pouches are really going to be written as 3 with an X. So I'm going to call this 3X. Okay, now the coins, we do know what the coins stand for. They're a dollar each, so they're just going to be ones. They're your single units. And so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to add on these extra coins right here beside it. So after I put my 3X's down there, I'm now going to just tack on these extra coins beside it. So there's 3 of them. So I'm going to click down here on the 3, and I'll drag the 3 over. Now I need an operation sign between here because, well, I mean, you can't have 3x3. It's got to be 3x something 3. Now, again, they're positive. They're not negative coins because we can see them. So I'm just going to put a plus sign right here between. So the left side of my equation is going to be 3x plus 3. Now I also have to bring down my equal sign. You always bring the equal sign down. You got to keep that between it. That's what makes an equation. So I'll click on my equal sign here, drag it down, and there's the left side. Now for the right side, we just look to see how many coins we have over here. And we're just going to rewrite those down here. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in each column. And there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 rows. So 5 rows of 6. That gives us 30. So I'll bring my 3 over and my 0. And I end up with 3x plus 3 equals 30. So the first thing is we're going to write the equation, and that's what it's going to look like right there.